Here. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Huh? Go for it. This is gonna be. It's just it's gonna hurt really bad if I break it like that. Okay, understood. I can break it out more. I thought nothing, but. No.
That was all part of the same burp, man. It was still coming out.
I'm gonna try.
Come on, bro. Come on, you can do it, man. I took the whole.
Can't drink out of this cup.
You brought your bottle.
I know.
Let's go back to mommy.
Reese's right there.
Oh goodness.
How old are you thinking?
Oh good.
I won! I freaking won!